Hey there, friends! In today's video, we're diving into the colorful world of watercolor painting. Specifically, we're going to paint a fascinating flower, the Anthurium. This plant, with its unusual shape and vibrant colors, is more than just a pretty face in your vase or on your windowsill. The Anthurium has quite a story to tell. Originating from the tropics, this stunner was first cultivated by the Mayans. Its rich colors and unique appearance decorated their cultural ceremonies and brought a burst of nature into the grand imperial palaces of China and Japan. Today, the Anthurium stands as a symbol of purity, exquisite beauty, and sophistication. Its exotic look draws everyone in, signifying novelty and distinctiveness. And guess what? It's my absolute favorite. I have one in my home, and it's always giving me artistic inspiration. So let's capture the Anthurium's vibrant colors in our sketch. If you remember, we've done the pencil composition in the last video. Now, it's time for some color. Don't worry about the watercolor spreading on the paper. Embrace it. It's part of the process we call art meditation. We'll start with soft, translucent paint tones. As we move along, we'll introduce more vivid colors and shadowing. And for the final touch, we'll bring the details to life with colored pencils and markers. So, buckle up, get your brushes ready, and let's unleash our creativity. Enjoy the process and let inspiration flow.